What if we told you there's a gadget that can handle your cleaning while you sit back and relax? Or a tool that turns your DIY projects into professional-level masterpieces? In this video, we're diving into some of the most innovative, time-saving, and downright impressive gadgets you'll ever see. From a robotic vacuum that maps your home to earbuds built to survive the toughest environments, we're not just showcasing these gadgets. We're putting them to the test. Will they live up to the hype? Can they really make your life easier, faster, and more fun? You'll have to watch to find out. Stick around because there's something here for everyone. Whether you're a tech lover, a coffee enthusiast, or just someone looking to simplify their day-to-day. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. Hit play and let's uncover the game changers you didn't know you needed. Ready? Let's go! Control AX. Unlock a world of convenience with the Control AX, a compact, multi-purpose tool designed to handle a wide variety of tasks. Whether you need to tighten bolts, adjust screws, or perform small repairs, this tool is all you'll need. Featuring a versatile, ergonomic design, the Control AX is perfect for use around the house, in the garage, or even in your toolbox on the go. Its durability, ease of use, and portability make it the ideal solution for anyone looking to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Cordless heat gun. With the cordless heat gun, you'll never have to worry about getting tangled in cords again. This tool provides the flexibility and power you need to complete a wide variety of heating tasks. Whether you're stripping paint, heat-shrinking cables, or bending plastics, the cordless heat gun gives you precise control over temperature and airflow, allowing you to get professional quality results in less time. It's portable, lightweight, and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It's the perfect tool for anyone looking to get things done quickly, without sacrificing quality. Microwave oven. The microwave oven is a kitchen essential for anyone who's always on the go. With its advanced features and powerful performance, it makes heating, cooking, and defrosting meals a quick and easy task. From reheating leftovers to cooking frozen meals, this microwave delivers consistent, reliable results. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen, and its user-friendly controls make it easy for anyone to operate. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, the microwave oven is a must-have appliance that saves you time and effort. This microwave comes equipped with multiple preset cooking modes, making it simple to prepare a variety of dishes. Whether you're steaming vegetables, popping popcorn, or defrosting frozen meats, the precision settings ensure optimal results every time. The spacious interior allows for larger dishes, while the easy clean surface ensures maintenance is a breeze. Additionally, the energy-efficient design helps reduce electricity usage without compromising performance. Upgrade your kitchen with this reliable and versatile appliance, perfect for busy professionals and families alike. Peat moss spreader. Take your gardening to the next level with the peat moss spreader. This handy tool ensures even and efficient distribution of peat moss, fertilizer, or seed over your entire garden or lawn. Its ergonomic design and durable construction make it easy to use, whether you're working on a small garden or a large yard. The peat moss spreader promotes healthy plant growth by ensuring a consistent layer of nutrients, allowing your plants to thrive. It's an essential tool for any gardener looking to improve their soil and get better results. Titan Spray Roller. Get ready to paint like a pro with the Titan Spray Roller. This innovative tool combines the speed of a sprayer with the smooth finish of a roller, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. Whether you're painting walls, ceilings, or even furniture, this tool helps you cover large surfaces quickly, evenly, and without the mess. The Titan Spray Roller is perfect for anyone looking to achieve a flawless, professional finish with minimal effort. With its efficient design and user-friendly features, it's sure to become your go-to painting companion. Sureline. The Sureline is the ultimate tool for achieving sharp, clean lines every time you paint. Forget about the messy process of taping off edges. This innovative tool helps you achieve perfect, professional-looking results with minimal effort. Whether you're painting trim, baseboards, or corners, the Sureline ensures a smooth, precise finish without any bleeding or splattering. It's easy to use and even easier to clean, making it a must-have for anyone looking to take their painting projects to the next level. Sharpening tool. Bring your dull blades back to life with the sharpening tool. Whether you're working with knives, scissors, lawnmower blades, or tools, this sharpening tool restores the edge to any blade in just a few minutes. Designed for quick, easy use, it helps maintain your tools in top condition, ensuring smooth, efficient cuts every time. With its durable construction and user-friendly design, this tool makes sharpening a breeze, allowing you to extend the life of your blades and improve your cutting performance. Malco Bender. Introducing the Malco Bender, your new best friend in sheet metal work. Whether you're a professional HVAC technician, a roofer, or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is essential for achieving precise, accurate bends in your metal sheets every single time. The Malco Bender is built for durability, designed to handle tough tasks without breaking a sweat. It's lightweight yet strong, offering both control and comfort with its ergonomic handle. Say goodbye to tedious hand bending and hello to efficient, consistent results. No project is too big or small for this powerful tool. Coffee maker. Start your day off right with the coffee maker. This kitchen staple brews the perfect cup of coffee every time, whether you prefer a light brew or a strong, bold cup. With customizable settings, you can adjust the brew strength to suit your taste. The coffee maker also features a sleek, modern design that complements any kitchen decor. Easy to clean and maintain, it ensures you'll have a fresh, hot cup of coffee ready whenever you need it. It's the perfect way to kickstart your morning routine. This coffee maker is designed with advanced brewing technology to extract maximum flavor and aroma, ensuring every cup is a rich, satisfying experience. The programmable timer lets you set it up the night before, so you wake up to the irresistible scent of freshly brewed coffee. The built-in warming plate keeps your coffee hot for hours, while the reusable filter helps reduce waste and save money. Whether you're brewing for one or entertaining guests, this coffee maker is your reliable companion for every coffee moment. Makita Robotic Vacuum. Let the Makita Robotic Vacuum take over your cleaning chores with its advanced, intelligent technology. This robotic vacuum automatically navigates your home, cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, and more, ensuring every corner is spotless. With its powerful suction and smart mapping features, it adapts to your home's layout and gives you the clean floors you deserve without lifting a finger. Say goodbye to daily vacuuming and let the Makita Robotic Vacuum do the work for you. Equipped with a long-lasting battery, this robotic vacuum can handle extended cleaning sessions without interruptions. Its advanced sensors prevent collisions with furniture and falls down stairs, while the customizable cleaning schedules allow you to program it according to your needs. The compact design ensures it can clean under furniture and in tight spaces with ease. Whether you're a busy professional or simply want more free time, the Makita Robotic Vacuum provides convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind. Alloyman Screwdriver. Say hello to the Alloyman Screwdriver, a tool that will redefine your repair game. Gone are the days of fumbling around with multiple screwdrivers. This sleek, ergonomic tool offers interchangeable heads, allowing you to tackle all sorts of screws and fasteners with one compact solution. The Alloyman Screwdriver is designed for precision, comfort, and efficiency, making it perfect for DIY repairs, electronics work, or assembly projects. Its high-quality construction ensures durability, and its lightweight design ensures you'll never get fatigued, no matter how long your project lasts. Cordless Sander. Get smooth, flawless finishes with the cordless sander. This powerful yet compact tool is perfect for sanding wood, metal, plastic, and more. With its cordless design, you have the freedom to work anywhere without the hassle of tangled cords. The cordless sander offers adjustable speed and a comfortable grip, giving you total control and precision. Whether you're working on furniture, floors, or DIY projects, this tool helps you achieve smooth, professional results every time. Designed with durability in mind, the cordless sander features a high-performance motor that ensures consistent power for demanding tasks. The ergonomic handle minimizes fatigue during extended use, while the dust collection system keeps your workspace clean and safe. Perfect for both novice DIYers and seasoned professionals, this sander offers the versatility to handle intricate detailing and large-scale projects alike. Make your sanding jobs faster, easier, and more efficient with this reliable and portable tool. Mod Box. Stay organized with the Mod Box, the perfect storage solution for your tools, supplies, and materials. This versatile box is built to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring that your equipment stays protected and easy to access. Whether you're using it for your workshop, garage, or on-the-go projects, the Mod Box helps keep everything neat and organized. With its durable construction and modular design, it's ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable storage option. The Mod Box features customizable compartments, allowing you to organize your tools and supplies in a way that suits your workflow. Its stackable design ensures space efficiency, while the reinforced handle makes it easy to transport. Weather-resistant materials keep your belongings safe from moisture and dust, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're tackling a major renovation or a small repair job, the Mod Box provides the durability and flexibility you need to stay productive and prepared. Milwaukee Earbuds. Experience superior sound with the Milwaukee Earbuds. Whether you're on the job or enjoying music on the go, these earbuds deliver crisp, clear audio and deep bass. Built for durability, they can handle tough environments, making them perfect for anyone who works hard and plays hard. With a comfortable, secure fit, the Milwaukee earbuds stay in place during intense workouts or long hours at the job site. Get high-quality sound, comfort, and durability with these premium earbuds. Featuring noise-isolating technology, the Milwaukee earbuds allow you to focus on your tasks or enjoy uninterrupted music. The water and sweat-resistant design ensures reliable performance in any conditions, while the extended battery life keeps you connected all day. Quick charge capabilities mean you're never without your favorite tunes or calls for long. Whether you're commuting, working out, or tackling a tough job, these earbuds combine performance and resilience for the ultimate audio experience. Ryobi Swift Clean. Take cleaning to a whole new level with the Ryobi Swift Clean. If you're tired of the endless scrubbing and cleaning sessions, this powerful handheld cleaner will make quick work of dirt, grease, and grime on any surface. Whether you're cleaning kitchen counters, outdoor furniture, or your car's interior, the Ryobi Swift Clean provides fast, thorough results with minimal effort. With an ergonomic design for comfort and a powerful motor for maximum cleaning power, this cleaner is as effective as it is easy to use. Trust Ryobi to deliver top-tier cleaning performance every time. Wow, what a lineup! From the smartest kitchen appliances to tools that make life easier and more productive, these gadgets truly have something for everyone. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this video and want more exciting gadget reviews, tips, and tech inspiration, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Keep innovating, exploring, and upgrading your world. Until next time, take care and stay awesome. See you in the next video.